It's Saturday video day at Victorian Antiquities and Design, and today we have this really great 1870s era feigning sofa. This piece came to us a while back and it was in pretty sorry condition when we got it. We went in and we retied all the springs, reupholstered it. Really nice fabric choice we used here. This is kind of Savrel. Very heavy upholstery with a really light distressed pattern. Very much in that kind of aesthetic movement period. Of course, we have the Magazine of Art book sitting on top of it right now. But this is a really long sofa. It's about 6.5 feet long. Perfect at the foot of a bed. But also could be used in your parlor or even a more casual room. And we've kind of paired it today with a antique organ stool, piano stool, that we have upholstered and redone in our shop here. And we've kind of paired that also with a antique Turkish coffee set. Just kind of show you the way that you might be able to set this up in your own home, how these pieces might work out well together. Just a really nice piece available in our shop. We are open daily, 10 to 6, 630 South 15th Street in Logansport, Indiana, Victorian Antiquities and Design. Thanks for coming in today to view this video, and please stop in our store. Thank you.